In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Insert Function dialog box in Excel. Start by opening Excel. You can launch it from the Start menu or from the Excel icon on your taskbar if it is already pinned there. Once Excel is open the sample CSV file that you want to use with the Insert Function feature. If the file appears in your recent files, select it from there. If you need to browse for it, open it from its saved location and wait until the worksheet is fully loaded on the screen. Now choose the cell where the function result will be placed. Click cell E2. Make sure the active cell outline is around E2, because this is the destination cell for the first function result. The Insert Function tool will build the formula for the cell that is currently selected, so it is important that E2 is selected before you open the dialog box. Next, look above the worksheet at the formula bar area. On the left side, you will see the name box, which shows the address of the selected cell. To the right of that is the formula input area. Between those two areas, find a small FX button. This is the Insert Function button. Click the FX button once. The Insert Function dialog box opens. At the top, there is a box labeled Search for a Function. This is where you can describe what you want Excel to do. Below that, there is a drop-down labeled OR. Select a category. This lets you browse functions by category, but for this workflow, you will use Search. In the middle of the dialog, there is a Select a Function list. This list will show matching functions after you run the search. Click inside the Search for a Function box at the top of the dialog. If there is already text inside that box, clear it first so the box is empty. Now type the description, add all numbers. Type add, then a space, then all, then another space, then numbers. This phrase tells Excel that you are looking for a function that adds values together. After the phrase is entered, move to the right side of the search box and click Go. Excel searches for functions that match the description you typed. The Select a Function list in the middle of the dialog updates with the search results. In the Select a Function list, find the Sum function. Click Sum one time to highlight it. Do not double-click it here. Just select it once so Excel shows its details at the bottom of the dialog. With Sum highlighted, look at the lower section of the dialog. Excel displays the function syntax, spoken as Sum, with number 1, number 2, and additional numbers inside the function. It also shows a short description explaining that the function adds its arguments. Now go to the bottom of the Insert Function dialog box and click OK. This confirms that Sum is the function you want to use for the selected cell, E2. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. At this point, the Insert Function dialog has been used to search for a function. Select the Sum function and confirm that selection in Excel.